Travel time! Let's go to school! It's math time! Welcome to my Mathematics 4 class! Good day everyone! I am Sir Ali, your mathematics teacher. Our lesson for today is all about equivalent fractions. Before we will proceed in our discussion, let me ask you a question. How to find equivalent fraction? But before we will answer this question, let us enact first the essential competencies. Now, let's define equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction represent the same part of a whole. Now, let's answer the question earlier. There are three ways to find equivalent fractions. First, multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. 2. Reduce the fractions to their lowest terms. Third, divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For example, write one fraction that is equivalent to 1/3 using multiplication. First, we will choose a number that is greater than 1. It could be 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. And then, we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by same number. We will choose 2. Let's multiply. 1/3 times 2 over 2. Rule of multiplication of fraction. Multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. Let's multiply. 1 times 2 equals 2. Next, 3 times 2 equals 6. Therefore, the equivalent fraction of 1/3 using 2 is 2 over 6. Next example. Write one fraction that is equivalent to 2/4 using division. First, we will think of a number that is divisible both the numerator and the denominator. Now, who can tell me what is the number that is divisible both 2 and 4? Correct, 2. Then, divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Let's divide. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Therefore, the equivalent fraction of 2 over 4 using 2 is 1 over 2. We can find out if the fractions are equivalent by applying cross multiplication. For example, 5 over 7 equals 15 over 21. Apply the cross multiplication. Simply multiply 5 times 21 equals 105 and then multiply 7 times 15 equals 105. Therefore, 5 over 7 and 15 over 21 is equivalent. Question: how to find if one of the term is missing? To find the missing term, we will apply the cross multiplication. For example, 5 over 7 equals 15 over n. Apply the cross multiplication. Multiply 5 times n equals 5n. Then, multiply 7 times 15 equals 105. In order to get the value of n, we will divide both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1 or n. Next, 105 divided by 5 equals 21. Therefore, the missing term is 21. To sum up the lesson, equivalent fraction represent the same part of a whole. Don't forget to answer your module and also take a picture of your written works and send it to me through Messenger. Once again, I am Teacher Ali. See you next week.